Here's some of the bits for the power hammer. Here's the brake, or band brake. The lining's still good on that. I need to replace a few of the main bearing studs. Here's the clutch operating arm. This is something somebody's made. It's a guard, like if a spring, one of these broke so it doesn't hit you in the face. This needs a little bit of work, like these links here. They're homemade, and this one's, I can see it's been welded through there. So I'd like to make a new pair of them. Both of these bolts are broken off, but they're not hard to get out because they come right through the back, and I can just push them out. So I've got to make them, they're special, they're kind of keyed in. And I need to get new bolts for here. That pinches onto the con rod for setting the stroke. There's the control arm from the foot pedal to the clutch. I think it's 125 pound, but it may be heavier. I can barely lift this, it's really heavy. Here's the motor. It's a 3 horsepower 3-phase. It's huge, it's like really heavy, I can't pick that up. Apparently this works, and it mounts to the main bearing caps on the frame, but I'm not gonna do it like that because it's a little bit shitty, I thought. And it won't fit in my shed, it's too tall. Yeah, here's the main hammer. It's all stripped down. The bearings sit into there. It's nice on the gib, it's not broken or anything. Apparently, possibly, it's made in New Zealand. It's maybe licensed in England, but made here. Here's the anvil. The cell block has a crack right through there, but it's been pinned through here all the way through, and it looks like an old repair, so I don't think I need to worry about that. And the cell block comes off anyway, so if worse came to worse I could make a new one. This thing is seriously heavy, like that's big. Here's the main pulley and clutch and the front crank. This is pretty big. This is really heavy, I can just lift this. That's for the clutch, that's the brake. These are the main bearings. I've marked them all left and right, which one goes where. And they seem alright, but I need to check the linings in this. Hopefully I don't need to put new linings, but it just needs cleaning up because apparently it's sat outside for a long time. I can see a bit of rust on there, should be okay hopefully. There's the Atlas hammer. So it's all stripped down, just got to clean it up and dig the footing and stuff now. And that's with the pulley slid back showing the clutch. It's got like a slightly cone shaped clutch, and it uses asbestos linings from a car. But these are getting quite down, so probably best to, while it's apart, put new linings in it. You can probably get truck ones or something, some non-asbestos ones. And then the grease nipples on the back to lube the centre clutch bearing, and then the main bearings are lubricated probably by oil. There's the foot pedal.